Hey everyone! Ready to permanently delete your Call of Duty account? Today I'm going to guide you step by step on how to delete your Call of Duty account using your iPhone. Let's get started. To do this, first open any browser on your iPhone. Then navigate to support.activision.com. Next, tap on Login at the top of the page. Enter your email address and password. Now, complete the CAPTCHA. Then, tap Sign In. Next, tap on My Account. After that, tap on Privacy and Security. Now, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Data Protection. Then, tap on Submit a new request. Next, scroll down and tap the link to select your country or region, then tick the box. After that, tap the button to proceed. Then, tap on Delete My Personal Information. Next, scroll down and tap on Call of Duty Mobile. Then, enter your player ID, UID, and privacy ID and complete the CAPTCHA. After that, just tap Continue and you will return to the previous page. Now, complete this CAPTCHA. Lastly, tick the final box and tap the Delete My Personal Information button again. And that's it! Your Call of Duty mobile account will be queued for deletion. So that's how you can delete your Call of Duty account. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.